guys, Ollie here from Paradise Luxury Motorhomes. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Truma Ultra Rapid hot water service. First thing we're going to do is go up to your control panel up here. You've got the water pump switch, turn him on. You've got an isolator as well, make sure that's switched on. Then we're going to come over, make sure you've got water coming through your taps. We'll give them a little second to come through. I can hear the pump coming on. Won't happen if you're on mains water, you'll just have the water flowing out of the tap. So first of all, it's a 240 volt and a gas hot water service. 12 volt to ignite the gas, but first I'll show you how to do it just on electricity only. Make sure you've got your lead plugged into the side of the motorhome, you've got power coming through, you can check your microwave or whatever you need to do to check that. Then you come down here where your controller is. In the middle position is electricity or 240 volt. Either side, 60 and 70 degrees, is for your gas. So we're going to leave it in the middle for the 240 volt. On the inside of your bed, if you come around, you'll see there's a power point there in most models. You'll have the switch. Make sure he's switched on. From there, as long as that control is in the middle position, you're on 240 volt. So give him about 20 minutes, let it warm up, check the tap again, and you should be good from there. So now we're going to light it on gas. First thing you want to do is make sure you've got both your bottles switched on. Open them right up. Close your door down so you're not doing any damage to your entry door if you swing that open. Now we're on the driver's side of the motorhome. You've got a cover here on the external of your hot water service. So when you do it on gas, cover has to come off. Pretty simple. You've got a little diagram in the middle. Just shows you to push in the center and pull back on the top, like so. You've got an exhaust intake here, and when it lights, you'll have a gas coming out. After about 5 minutes, you'll be able to feel a warm air coming out over the top. Once you've got that warm air, you know you've got the hot water's running on gas. If it doesn't light and you get a red display on the inside, turn him off, check your hob inside that you've got gas coming through, and give it another go. It might take 1 or 2 goes to get it through if you haven't used it on gas for quite some time, but from there you should be fine. So on your controller again, the middle position we said before was for the 240 volt. When we light it on the gas, we've already taken the cover off the outside and got your bottles on. Now what you need to do is switch it either to 60 or 70 degrees, and you'll hear a little click after I flick the switch. Like so. Once you do that, give him a couple of minutes. If you happen to get that red light here, it means either you've got no gas coming through. When you're traveling, obviously you want to turn all the power back off, put the cover back on the outside so you're not getting any dust and that sort of stuff through there. It's a stainless steel tank, so it doesn't require an anode. 14 litres it holds. Basically that's about it. They're a maintenance free item. If you've got any questions, feel free to leave them here and we'll answer your questions. If you want any other videos or explanations, let us know.